Hi everyone, it's author and speaker Craig Hillier. Just wanted to take a few minutes to introduce my new book, The Up Yours Approach, Preparing, Delivering, and Following Through in Life and Business. 30 plus years as a speaker has taught me the fastest way to connect with an audience is through stories that are entertaining, meaningful, and jam-packed with usable lessons. This insight inspired me to write The Up Yours Approach as a story instead of a traditional non-fiction book like I have in the past. Since I love bowling, it only made sense for the setting to be in a bowling center. The story revolves around Sam, who is a college senior. In order to graduate from college, he must complete a 40-hour unpaid internship. Like a lot of people, Sam has potential, but he usually settles for average. Well, settling for average doesn't sit well with his new mentor, one Lenny Labinski, owner of the Bowling Lab Pro Shop. Lenny uses 10 bowling pins to teach Sam his Up Yours approach. This system was created through Lenny's experience as a business owner, workshop presenter, and bowling instructor. As the internship progresses, Sam learns about strengthening communication through the Connecting the Dots profile, approaching situations in a new way by understanding the 5 P's of mindset, resolving conflict through the OTFDN formula, persuading without pushing by adopting the strikes method, finally, the value of contributing to others rather than just focusing on personal gains. The end result, an entertaining story filled with concrete strategies that can be implemented immediately. Readers will love the use of color, charts, and quote boxes. Plus, the book is only 170 pages, which means it's only going to take a few spare moments to complete. It's also available as an ebook through Amazon Kindle. If you prefer to listen, no problem. Download it on audible.com. For individuals or teams who are looking to improve personally and professionally, check out the follow-through study guides available on the book's website. I'm a big believer in the attitude of gratitude, so a portion of book proceeds will go toward bowling equipment for bowlers with disabilities who bowl in leagues and tournaments. Whether you are at the top of your game and trying to maintain your edge, or you need some inspiration to start the climb in front of you, the Up Yours approach will help you strike out limiting beliefs and get you rolling on the path to success. Take the first step to a brand new approach by going to upyoursapproach.com and order your copy today.